Yay, we got crabs.
Yeah.
Let's see what you got there. Okay. They're all red, so they're cooked. Yeah. Okay, well that's something. At least some people get some crabs.
You own Sheraton?
I don't know what hotels they own.
But we went to Sheraton for the wedding, the reception.
Oh, really?
I never say that.
It's nice.
Well, we didn't ski there, but we went there for the wedding, and then we went back to Kingston.
Oh, you didn't sleep at Sheraton?
Ayun, you can eat some more. My husband, hindi siya kumakain, tsaka hindi nga siya nagdakat na.
Tumayo pa rin ako.
Sabi ko mas madali pang mag-ano yung balat yung hipon.
Hindi siya masaya sa hipon?
Hindi siya. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya nga magbalat yung hipon. Pero ito, masaya siya.
What do you like the Red Rock more, Mom?
Yeah, Ed told me he was allergic to crab. I told him that was most unfortunate.
The daughter?
Longer relationship. 2 weeks lang.
That's why you told me they are from a royal family.
2 weeks lang. Nagkakilala, nagpropose bago umalik ng barko. Yun lang.
Chanel said like, Mom, they are from a
Tapos
royal
tawagan na lang sa telepono kasi nasa barko.
I was 8.
Then